I am D.Raghava. My mini project topic is Daily Expense Tracker System under the extended guidance of M. Swarnanjal. Abstract. We are developing a web application named as Daily Expense Tracker System, and this application is used to manage the application users' daily expenses in a more efficient and manageable way. By using this application, we can reduce the manual calculations for their daily expenses and keep the track of the expenditure. In this application, user can provide his by her expenses to calculate his by her total expenses per day, and these results will store for unique user. In previous days, we used to maintain Excel sheets to store the records of daily expenses, and the drawback is if the system get crash or if the file has been deleted unknowingly, then it's very tough to retrieve the records. Now, but now the generation has changed, everything has become digital. Now existing system, in existing we need to maintain the Excel sheets, CSV, etc. files for the user daily and monthly expenses. In existing system, there is no such as complete solution to keep a track of its daily expenditure easily. To do so, a person has to keep a log in a diary or in a computer. Also, all the calculation need to be done by the user, which may sometimes result in error, leading to losses. Now, limitations. User have to entry every record manually. The category divided may be blurred or missing. Person who is handling system must have some knowledge. Now, proposed system of my project. To reduce manual calculations, we propose a web application which is developed on PHP. This application allows user to maintain a digital automated diary. Each user will be required to register on the web application and create an account which will be used to maintain the record of each unique user. Expense tracker application which will keep a track of expense of a user on a day-to-day basis. Software requirements. Operating system Windows XP or Windows. Language technology PHP. Database MySQL. Server Apache. Front-end HTML. Scripting language JavaScript. IDE XAMPP. Browser Google Chrome. Now hardware requirements. Processor Intel Core 2 Duo and above. Processor speed 2.0 GHz. RAM 1 GB. Hard disk 40 GB and above. Architecture of the mini project. Entity relationship model of the daily expense tracker system. A class diagram for user of this project. Use case diagram for admin. Activity diagram. Sequence diagram for user of an mini project. Sequence diagram for admin. The major models are DET of input and output flow diagram of an input to output. In between the transformation process is done. Project screens. Forget password page, dashboard page, and expense page, manage expense page, expense report page, profile page, change password page, logout. Test cases. In this project, test cases are the GUI test cases, positive test cases, and negative test cases. Login page test case 1, login page test case 2, login page test cases, registration page test case 1, registration page test case 2. Registration page test case of this project. Change password test case 1. Change password test case 2. Change password test cases. Manage expense test case 1. Manage expenses test case 2. Manage expenses test cases. Daily expense tracker modules. In this track in this daily expense tracker modules, the major modules are change password, logout, index, dashboard, expenses, expense report, profile. These are the major modules of an daily expense tracker system. Daily expense tracker system advantages: easy to use, user friendly. We can use in PC or laptop as well as smartphone. It gives quick response. Easy to update, modify, delete or add expenses. Safe and secure. It is safe and secure. Conclusion of the daily expense tracker system. After making this application, we assure that this application will help its users to manage the cost of their daily expenditure. It will guide them and aware them about their daily expenses. It will prove to be helpful for the people who are frustrated with their daily budget management, irritated because of amount of expenses and wishes to manage money and to preserve the record of their daily cost, which may be useful to change their way of spending money. In short, this application will help its users to overcome the wastage of money. The project title has daily expense tracker system was deeply studied and analyzed to design the code and implement. It was done under the guidance of the experienced project guide. All the current requirements and possibilities have been taken care during the project time. Daily expense tracker system is used for maintain the daily expenses. Reference: JavaScript programming by Yehuda Shiran, Java to network by Pistoria, Java security by Scotel Oaks, J2EE professional by Sadab Sidki, Java server pages by Fekosli, Java servers pages by Nick Todd, HTML Black Book by Holzner, Java database programming with JDBC by Patel Mose, software engineering by Roger Pressman, Java programming language by Ken Arnold, James Gosling, David Holmes. And thank you.